Greetings everyone, Dumelang, Twabela, Rialocha. Welcome to Sepedi channel. Today we are going to learn Maloko Alapa, how we pronounce or how we call our family members in Sepedi. Mother is mma, father, tate, tate, grandmother, kuku goba magolo, grandfather, ragolo, great grandmother, magolo kuku, great grandfather, ragolo kuku. We are starting with maternal family, leloko la bomma. An aunt who is mother's older sister, we call them mamogolo, mamogolo, which directly translate as older mother. And mom's younger sister is mmani or mangwani. It depends on where you are coming from. Some they say mani, some they say mangwani. And the maternal uncle is malume, malume. In the paternal family, lelokong la botate, aunt, whether the aunt is older or younger than the father, we call them ragadi, ragadi. And the uncle who is older than the father is ramogolo, ramogolo. An uncle who's younger than father is rangwani, rangwani. A son, we call them morwa, morwa. A daughter, morwedi, morwedi. An older sister, sesi, sesi. A younger sister, morato, morato. Older brother, wuti, wuti. A younger brother, kgaitšedi, kgaitšedi. A niece or a nephew is motlogolo, motlogolo. Same as grandson and granddaughter. A cousin is motswala, motswala. An infant, lesea, lesea. A child, ngwana, ngwana. A boy, moshimane, moshimane, or moshimanyana, moshimanyana. It also depends on where you are coming from. Same as a girl, mosetsana, mosetsana, or ngwaninyana, ngwaninyana. A man is monna, monna. A woman, mosadi, mosadi. A young man, lesogana, lesogana. A young woman is kgarebe, kgarebe. When you're calling your partner my love is mogatšaka, mogatšaka. A woman who didn't go to initiation school is litumasha, litumasha. A man who didn't go to initiation school is lishoboro, lishoboro. Topic for another day. We've reached the end of today's lesson. Please subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment down below for more videos.